This video is to present our website, which is the final product for 25 points software development project in University of Melbourne. And this website is developed by Howden and Yusheng. Now let's start. As you can see, this is the welcome page. If you click Learn More, and it will jump to the home page. The home page mainly has been divided into two parts: instant tweets and the historical, wider in the summary, the emotion data retrieval. The map will mark the latest tweets fetched by our system in the tweet content, and the location as well as the emotion prediction will be listed in the button. Speaking of the data retrieve function, you should choose the location and select a date. Then, the daily rider in the emotion situation for whole city will be listed in this block. As you can see, the largest value will be marked as the red color. Now let's move to the sentiment section. Below the sentiment section, there are three parts: feature description and model description. They provide information of how we implement emotion prediction programming on tweets. The main function in this section is the interaction page, which provides user with testing our sentiment analysis program. Users can tap into the text and then click the analysis. Then the result will be returned and displayed in these pages. The different models analysis result will be listed as well. Now let's move on to the most important part of our website, which is the data visualization function. As you can see, there are three sections below the wider: Melbourne suburbs, Australian 8 cities in the wider condition. Let's move on to the Melbourne suburbs first. Here is a heat map in the middle, which is presenting the data distribution in our in the Melbourne. The users can select the date to see the different distributions trend, and also user can click the scenario. Okay, here is about the scenario, and this is a map presenting the suburbs we explored in our project. There are totally 174 suburbs. When you click the shopping mall and click the add mark, 5 shopping malls will be marked in these maps. Meanwhile, there are 4 graphs has been listed in here. The first graph is the ratio of number of positive and negative tweets in shopping mall, and number of positive negative tweets in the whole Melbourne. The second graph is the hottest and lowest temperature in Melbourne in a specific date. Following that, you can see this is a picture to present the percentage of tweets number in shopping mall. Finally, the total number of tweets in this area will be listed. There are a smart graph. Users can use this button to access the data they would like to see. For example, just present the positive trends You can close the negative and close the lower temperature, and then the user could analyze the relation between the positive tweets and the hottest temperature. Furthermore, the period of the day can be adjusted as well. Use this button. For example, just assign the first day October to the 20 date October. Then the graph will change. It's similar if you click the coast part, and then you can click either highlight KML button. It's a little bit slow. Oh, it's dumped. The coast suburbs will be listed. Will be marked as the red color, and there are similar for graph about the tweets data in the coast suburb. Now let's move on the next scenario. Australian 8 cities. A heat map has been provided as well, and if you click the detail analysis, you can see the data about the Australian 8 cities. Here, there are 3 graphs. The first is about the emulsion percentage, and the second about the temperature of the water, and the last is about the trace number. It's similar function. User can use this button to change which curve they would like to see in the graph. And also, people can use this navigation in the top to change the location. Now let's move on the latest function in our system, weather condition. There are 3 graphs has been provided in this page. The first graph is the summaries of the positive tweets percentage in different weather conditions. There are total 5 weather conditions has been explored in our project. And the second graph is about the negative percentage. The last is about the tweets number and the different weather condition. And this data is summarized the data from the first day we start to fetch data to the latest day. Okay, that's all we done in our project. Thanks for your patience, and we really pressure to take questions via emails. Thanks again.